Kidney disease is a common problem affecting about 10% of the world's population. The kidneys are small but powerful bean-shaped organs that perform many important functions. They are responsible for filtering waste products, releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure, balancing fluids in the body, producing urine, and many other essential tasks. There are various ways in which these vital organs can become damaged. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the most common risk factors for kidney disease. However, obesity, smoking, genetics, gender, and age can also increase the risk. Uncontrolled blood sugar and high blood pressure cause damage to blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to function optimally. When the kidneys aren't working properly, waste builds up in the blood, including waste products from food. Therefore, it's necessary for people with kidney disease to follow a special diet. But before going next, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for getting daily healthy foods. 1. Water. Water is the most important drink for the body. The cells use water to transport toxins into the bloodstream. The kidneys then use water to filter these toxins out and to create the urine that transports them out of the body. A person can support these functions by drinking whenever they feel thirsty. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and other cold water, fatty fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids can make a beneficial addition to any diet. The body cannot make omega-3 fatty acids, which means that they have to come from the diet. Fatty fish are a great natural source of these healthful fats. As the National Kidney Foundation note, omega-3 fats may reduce fat levels in the blood and also slightly lower blood pressure. As high blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney disease, finding natural ways to lower it may help protect the kidneys. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are similar to white potatoes, but their excess fiber may cause them to break down more slowly, resulting in less of a spike in insulin levels. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, that may help balance the levels of sodium in the body and reduce its effect on the kidneys. However, as sweet potato is a high potassium food, anyone who has CKD or is on dialysis may wish to limit their intake of this vegetable. 4. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and chard, are dietary staples that contain a wide variety of vitamins, fibers, and minerals. Many also contain protective compounds, such as antioxidants. However, these foods also tend to be high in potassium, so they may not be suitable for people on a restricted diet or those on dialysis. 5. Berries. Dark berries, which include strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are a great source of many helpful nutrients and antioxidant compounds. These may help protect the cells in the body from damage. Berries are likely to be a better option than other sugary foods for satisfying a sweet craving. 6. Apples. An apple is a healthful snack that contains an important fiber called pectin. Pectin may help reduce some risk factors for kidney damage, such as high blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Apples can also often satisfy a sweet tooth. 7. Egg whites. Although egg yolks are very nutritious, they contain high amounts of phosphorus, making egg whites a better choice for people following a renal diet. Egg whites provide a high-quality, kidney-friendly source of protein. Plus, they're an excellent choice for people undergoing dialysis treatment, who have higher protein needs but need to limit phosphorus. 8. Garlic. People with kidney problems are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Garlic provides a delicious alternative to salt, adding flavor to dishes while providing nutritional benefits. It's a good source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 and contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. 9. Skinless chicken. Although a limited protein intake is necessary for some people with kidney issues, providing the body with an adequate amount of high-quality protein is vital for health. Skinless chicken breast contains less phosphorus, potassium, and sodium than skin-on chicken. When shopping for chicken, choose fresh chicken and avoid pre-made roasted chicken, as it contains large amounts of sodium and phosphorus. 10. Onions. Onions are excellent for providing sodium-free flavor to renal diet dishes. Reducing salt intake can be challenging, making finding flavorful salt alternatives a must. Sautéing onions with garlic and olive oil adds flavor to dishes without compromising your kidney health. What's more, onions are high in vitamin C, manganese, and B vitamins and contain prebiotic fibers that help keep your digestive system healthy by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. 11. Pineapple. Many tropical fruits like oranges, bananas, and kiwis are very high in potassium. Fortunately, pineapple makes a sweet, low-potassium alternative for those with kidneys problems. Plus, pineapple is rich in fiber, manganese, vitamin C, and bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation. Conclusion. The kidney-friendly foods above are excellent choices for people following a renal diet. Remember to always discuss your food choices with your healthcare provider to ensure that you are following the best diet for your individual needs. Dietary restrictions vary depending on the type and level of kidney damage, as well as the medical interventions in place, such as medications or dialysis treatment. While following a renal diet can feel restrictive at times, there are plenty of delicious foods that fit into a healthy, well-balanced, kidney-friendly meal plan. Thanks for watching our video. If you want more healthy foods videos every day, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.